Hello, Shakil speaking. How are you doing? I think you are doing very well, and I am trying my level best to give you everyday video or problem solving video. And initially, we are trying to solve this top interview on 50 questions. Okay, and I am done with eight. I have solved 8 problems with you. Okay, and it will be a wonderful journey. Initially, we'll solve this problem on 50 top interview questions. And another announcement is that today we are going to solve this problem. Find the index of the first occurrence of a string. And another announcement is that tomorrow, by the grace of Almighty, we are going to solve this medium problem. This is the linked list, reversing linked list. I have on video already how to reverse a linked list, but this is the second step of reversing linked list 92, and it's medium. Still now, so far we have solved problems of easy problems. So tomorrow we are gonna solve this medium problem. So it's a bit tricky and tough. You need to know the linked list and how to reverse it. So my plan is to solve this problem by 2 steps, by 2 videos. First of all, I wanna explain what is linked list and how to reverse it, and in second part I will solve this problem. So I hope you will like the video. Comments in the video box and share the video so you can solve this problem and become masterpiece in problem solving. So problem solving is really a wonderful thing. If you solve this problem on everyday basis, definitely your coding skills will improve, logics will improve, problem everything will be improved. So you can grab your seat in the Fortune 500 companies definitely. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into the diff. So this is our today's problem. So here is saying that we have two string, needle and haystack. We are searching a needle in the haystack. It's really very tough, really in a practical scenario. So in a needle is very tiny thing, and finding inside haystack is really tough. So this is we are gonna do. And we have to find set among this string how many occurrence it has happened. You see, this is set first occurrence, and this is set sixth occurrence. I mean, if you go over here in the explanation, you see set means this is set, and 2 times it is happening here. So first of all, it is happening in 0 position, and second 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place it is occurring. So it's occurring 0 and 6. But we'll take the first occurrence. Here is the explanation is given. Set occurs at the index of 0 and index of 6. But we'll take the first occurrence, okay? And see if I don't find the occurrence, what we will do. So this Lito is not finding here. Exactly same string is not here. So Lito did not occur in LeetCode, so we return. If we don't find anything, we return 0. This is our condition. Okay. Okay. I hope this is very easy and clear. Again, I am saying that you will find the string. I mean set inside this string. So how many times it is happening? So set is happening first times here. This is 0 position. It starts from 0 position, and another 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 position we are finding again set. So it's occurring index 0 and index 6, but we will return the first occurrence. If we get the first occurrence, we will not go for the anything else. This is very simple. Okay, so this is my code, and I am going to explain it. So what's the first line? It is saying we are taking 2 parameters, haystack and needle. These parameters will be haystack and needle. And if needle dot length, so first of all return 0. If needle is empty, I mean check if the needle is empty string, it will return 0. So if you don't pass any parameter, like if it is empty, then it will return 0. And second line of code is check if the haystack does not contain the needle, and we check that these items are in this place or not, whether these items are in these strings, among these strings or not. So if nothing is there, it will return 0. This one, The second example is saying that it will, as this word is not here, it will return 0. And this is the final line it is doing for us. And if string I have explained 2 lines. So this is the final line and main logics over here. So what's the line is saying? Hashtag split needle. It will find the first occurrence and finally return the length. So what is happening over here? So what is happening over here? You see, if I wanna show you, see, this is the hashtag. So let hashtag, and inside hashtag say hashtag dot split dot set. We are finding that. So what is we are getting? You see, I wanna show you that we are getting 3 things. First of all is empty. Second one is, and it is becoming an array. It is returning an array. We are getting 3 items. So here is a confusion over here. Why these 2 things are empty, but middle is giving the word, but first and end is empty. This is the magic of split. So I want to show you another thing is that, say, that will make you clear. Say I have my name in 2 places. One is first occurrence in the first place and the last place. Okay, so if I console.log substring, so my 2 names are empty. Shakil, how are you doing? Shakil. So first of all it is empty, how are you doing, and then empty. But if I do the same thing once again by changing a bit, say console.log, now it is in the middle. I have shown here in the first and the last, but right now Shakil is in the middle. This is very important. Give it a very serious consideration. Again, I am saying here Shakil, how are you doing? Shakil. Shakil is first place and the last place, but now here Shakil is the middle place. So what it is returning? Let's see. Console log substring. Okay, and see, how are you doing? Okay, so it's not giving you an empty space, but this is giving you some empty. So the thing is that if the string, the what we are looking for, if it is in the first or last place, it will return some empty places. It will give you a empty string. But if it is in the middle, it will not give you empty. Okay, so how are you doing? Okay, so this is the very crucial point you have to understand over here. And where I was, here is that. So it's saying that, so what it is doing, now say again, I want to show you that. So I haystack, it is giving me the 3 arrays 0 1 2. So I want to show you that. So if you are looking for the 0 position, so it will return the first occurrence, as we have 3 0 1 2 3. It's returning us 0 1 2 3. So if we can get it, this is our first occurrence. Not this is, not this is. This is our first occurrence. Okay. So that's why we are doing 0. This 0 is indicating that, and dot length is finding the length of this position. So by splitting needle 0, we are finding the first occurrence, this one. We are getting also this one. We are not getting because this is 0. it will find the first occurrence. Okay, so our main logic is done. So its time and space complexities, big O of n and big O of n. Space complexity also is used. So if you wanna optimize this code, you can do like that. Here space complexity is big O of 1. So I am showing you this code over here. So I have written the code already. So I am doing you in front of you once again. So bar to function stack and needle. So if no needle, if it is not there, return 0. Okay, and then if no hashtag stack includes needle. So if needles element are not there or is not there, it will return -1. Return -1. Okay, then finally return stack dot split middle and find the zero index. Zero index means first occurrence. Okay, and give me the length. So we are done. Return. So let's bring the use cases here. So finally console.log here stack on and needle on. Okay, I hope we will get the expected result. Let's see. Not 28. Yeah, we're getting 0. So go for the second use case. Let step 2 let middle 2 okay. Yeah, it's returning -1. So go for another use case. My use case, this is not in the LeetCode. Let's see what will happen. I'm giving it in the middle. Okay, so let's start this, give it a name 3, and we will find over here excuse me. Okay, so it has set but in the middle, but initially it was first and last place, but now it is in the middle. You see set, this is the first occurrence set, and this is the last occurrence, but both set are in the middle. So can you remember what I have told you? If it is in the middle, then the output will be empty. First and last occurrence will be empty, but if it is in the middle, it will not give you any empty anything. Okay, so let's see. And in which number it is finding, it is gonna find the occurrence. Say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope the answer will 4. Let's save it. Yeah, good. So we are getting the result. So I give you the every line by line explanation and give you everything. This is very crystal clear and give you a good graphs, good understanding. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. And if you have any question, uh, hit the comment box and let me know. Let's grow together. So it will be a wonderful journey. See you soon. Thank you very much.